Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to community dentistry, dental fluorosis. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now today is the second video of dental fluorosis. In first video we already studied the definition, causes, characteristics, feature and optimum level of fluoride in first video of dental fluorosis. Now today is the second video in which we study the indices to measure dental fluorosis. To measure fluorosis, which indices we use. Now, what is indices? Indices is a scale by which we measure the severity of fluorosis. Now, there are 6 indices which are used to measure the severity of fluorosis. But in 6, the first one, Dean fluorosis index, is very important. It is widely used both clinically and it is very important also theoretically. But the rest 5 indices, we should only remember the name of these indices, but in detail we will study the Dean fluorosis index. Now, first the name of indices used to measure dental fluorosis. Number 1, first is Dean fluorosis index. Second is Thyrstrup and Fajers-Coe index. Third is tooth surface index for fluorosis. Fourth is fluorosis risk index, and fifth is developmental effect of enamel index, and number 6 is Jackson-Alausi index. These are the 6 indices which are used to measure the severity of fluorosis. Now come to the detail of first Dean fluorosis index. Now, by Dean fluorosis index, we measure the severity of fluorosis. Dean make 6 grades to evaluate to measure the severity of dental fluorosis. Dean fluorosis index, it measures fluorosis on following 6 grades. Dean is a sentence which makes 6 grades to measure the fluorosis. Number 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 grade mean normal, 1 grade mean questionable, 2 grade mean very mild, 3 grade mean mild, and 4th grade mean moderate, and 5th grade mean severe. Now, when Dean fluorosis index grade is 0, it means tooth is normal and its appearance is smooth enamel with glassy appearance. The enamel will be smooth with glassy appearance. If Dean fluorosis index grade is 0, the tooth will be normal. If Dean fluorosis index grade is 1, it means questionable. 1 means questionable. In questionable, white spot appear on enamel surface. In grade 1, questionable, there will be white spot appear on enamel surface. If Dean fluorosis index grade is 2, mean very mild fluorosis. In very mild fluorosis. In very mild fluorosis, white opaque patches appear on enamel surface but not involve 20% of enamel surface. If Dean fluorosis index grade is 2, it means very mild fluorosis. In very mild fluorosis, white patches appear on enamel surface but not involve 25% of enamel surface. Mean there will be less involvement of enamel surface, mean less involvement of enamel surface than 25%. If Dean index grade is 3, mean mild fluorosis. In mild fluorosis, white opaque patches, here white patches, but here white opaque patches become extensive. These white opaque patches become more extensive but not involve 50% of enamel surface, Now, if we compare very mild and mild, in very mild fluorosis, white patches, white opaque patches appear on enamel surface but not involve 25% of enamel surface. But here, in mild fluorosis, white opaque patches become extensive but not involve 50% of enamel surface. Here not involve 25%, less than 25% surface involved. Here less than 50% but more than 25% enamel surface involved. These are the basic difference between very mild and mild. Now, if Dean fluorosis index is 4, mean moderate fluorosis. In moderate fluorosis, all surfaces of tooth involved. Plus two additional things. Number one, wear plus brown staining. Now, the brown staining is the distinct feature of moderate dental fluorosis. If Dean fluorosis index stage is 5, it shows severe fluorosis. In severe fluorosis, all surfaces involve plus two additional things. Number one, hypoplasia plus corroded appearance of enamel. Now, the difference between moderate and severe, in both moderate and severe, all surfaces of tooth involved. But in moderate, two additional things occur. These are wear plus brown staining. And brown staining is a distinct feature of moderate fluorosis. In severe fluorosis, again all surfaces involved. Plus the two additional things, these are different from moderate. In moderate, wear plus brown staining, but in severe, hypoplasia plus corroded appearance of enamel surface. These are the Andicis-2-Meyer dental fluorosis. Now, today we studied the Andicis-2-Meyer dental fluorosis. In previous video, in first video of dental fluorosis, we already studied the definition, causes, optimum level of fluoride, and characteristics feature of dental fluorosis. In today's video, we studied the Andicis-2-Meyer dental fluorosis. In last video, we will study the treatment and prevention of dental fluorosis. Now today, our second video is complete. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to open all notifications in order to receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.